In order to help you have a stronger foundation of arrays and their related programs, I have come up with another example that uses array. In this program, we will get the user read numbers and those numbers will be stored into an array. We are supposed to print the sum of all these elements and its average. Now this is the array. The data type of the array could be anything. I have used the data type double, so this array happens to be of double data type elements. This is size 10 and this is the variable that will be storing the sum of all the elements. Here is your counter variable. Of course, in order to change the subscripts, we will start the subscript from 0 to 9. So we will have to have a variable that will be used as subscript. So initial value of a subscript is always 0. So the name of the variable could be anything. I have taken it as count. Now while count is less than 10, because this loop will run from 0 through to 9, because subscript, again I repeat it, subscript starts from 0. Now this is our loop block. This is the prompt, enter a number, and I have used format specifier %lf. As you already know, %lf is used when we people are using double data type variables or arrays. So the first time value of count is 0, so AR0. Scanf will use %lf &AR0. So the first value will be put into AR0. Then we have got this variable. This is the first value is suppose 10 or whatever it is. Then sum plus is equal to AR count. As you know, writing sum plus is equal to count is as good as writing sum is equal to sum plus AR count. So what will happen is, if I am assuming that first time user has given the value of the first element as 10, so right now the value of count is 0 and that of sum will become 10, because it will become 0 plus 10. AR0 is 10. So the new value of sum would be 10. Now plus plus count is going to make the value of count as 1. Again it will go up the loop. It will check the condition which will be of course true, because 1 is less than 10. Number will be asked. Now this time our scanf %lf &AR1. So this is AR1. Suppose the user has given the value of AR1 as 2. Now come to this place. This is the third statement of your loop. Now this time over the value of sum is 10. So it will become 10 plus AR1, which is 2. So it will become 12. Plus plus count will make the value of count as 2. Now we will take care of the third element. Again it will go up. Condition is true because 3 is less than 10. Now user will be inputting the value into AR2. Suppose that value is 5. Whatever value the user will give, I am assuming that this is 5. Then sum plus is equal to AR2. So now current value of sum is 12. So 12 plus 5 will make it 17. So it will go on like this. This is the try test. You can verify it yourself. Right. So ultimately, if the values are these ones, so ultimately we will get the value 157. You can try it for other values also. I will execute the program, enter a number. Yeah, this is the output. Sum is being printed 573 and average is 57.30.